Google Ads best practices can be everything from ensuring that your keywords are relevant to the ad text and the ad text is relevant to the landing page that you're sending them to. It's also how the ads are written. Best practices can include capitalizing the start of every word so that it keeps in keeping with other ads in the search, and also utilizing the entire system, such as ad extensions, the call out extensions, site link extensions, and phone call extensions, which allow people to call directly from the ad.